Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download vendor invoicing with GoCanvas for Landlords, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have the GoCanvas app installed on your device. Open the GoCanvas app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in to your GoCanvas account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section in the main menu. In the search bar, type vendor invoicing to find the relevant template. Select the vendor invoicing template from the search results. Now, click on the template to open it. Review the details of the template to ensure it meets your requirements. If necessary, customize the template by adding or modifying fields that suit your needs. After finalizing the form, click on the Save option to store your changes. Next, navigate to the Forms section in the main menu. Locate the vendor invoicing form you just customized. Tap on the form to open it. Fill out all required fields with the vendor and invoicing information. Once you've completed the form, review all entries for accuracy. Look for the Submit button at the bottom of the form and click on it. The form will then process and save your information to the GoCanvas cloud. To download the invoice, go back to the Forms section. Find your submitted vendor invoicing form in the list. Select the form and look for the Export or Download option. Choose your preferred file format for the download, such as PDF or Excel. Click on the Download button to save the invoice to your device. Once the download is complete, you can open the file to review or print it. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded vendor invoicing with GoCanvas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.